Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Kaspa news. We are less than 2 days away from another major Kaspa catalyst that could potentially lead to an increase in Kaspa's price action. But before we get into it, alongside some more recent crypto news and other Kaspa developments, I just want to quickly thank you once again for returning to the channel. Please keep spreading the love and support by leaving a like on the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Kaspa content. So first things first, and very quickly regarding some crypto news. As we can see from Bitcoin magazine, the new Bitcoin ETF saw a record volume of $111 billion last month in March, which is a very big deal. The reason this is big news is because that was three times the inflows from the month before in February. Again, the reason these sort of updates are so important for crypto, and of course that includes Kaspa, is because this showcases the massive surge of institutional money flooding into Bitcoin and trickling therefore into crypto and altcoins as well. And we are still just at the beginning, just at the starting line, with many large institutions and banks like Morgan Stanley still on the sidelines waiting and watching. Once the FOMO run starts, which could be very soon, any day now, when the crypto halving happens, best believe crypto is going to go parabolic. April this month could see even bigger inflows as everyone keeps selling pre-halving and the institutions like BlackRock keep buying the dips. And speaking of halvings, 2 days now. Kaspa is having its monthly reduction in mining rewards in just 2 days time, in fact less than that now. And this is significant news because it means that the miners will earn less money, less rewards for mining Kaspa. Currently it's sitting at about $123 and it will drop to 117. So the catalyst effect of this reduction will mean the miners will have to mine more Kaspa to continue making the same income they're making right now. An increase in mining means an increase in hash rate, and an increase in hash rate in time always correlates to an increase in price. As I have mentioned numerous times in my previous videos, to which I highly recommend checking out if you haven't done so already, we are at the tipping point, the threshold level, where the hash rate for Kaspa has crossed the corresponding price action of Kaspa. History has proven time and time again that when this happens, Kaspa increases in price. It's like Kaspa is allergic to being close to its hash rate, trying to get as far away from it as possible. So having this reduction in just 2 days time, when the hash rate is already overlapping right now, it's already overlapping the price, with a Bitcoin halving also looming roughly 2 weeks away now, and with the Rust migration ongoing, to which we can see that it is currently at 2% and rising, the mining reduction could be that very little push that we need to see a Kaspa breakout. But again, don't be emotional, be logical, be rational. This is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're looking to make quick money, then you came to the wrong place. Go to meme coins. Kaspa is like a store of value like Bitcoin. It's a long-term investment opportunity that in time, succeeding where Bitcoin failed, will be used for payments. And therefore, based off this fact, not speculation, a matter of fact, Kaspa cannot remain valued below 20 cents. So if we have a quick look at the market chart for Kaspa today, currently down 1.3% on the daily time frame, valued at 12.6 cents. Kaspa is still consolidated between 11.3 to 15.3 cents. This bottom level of support down here to this level of resistance up here at the top of the golden fib retracement that I drew out. This region I've been teaching time and time again in my previous videos is an opportune time to DCA into Kaspa, dollar cost average into Kaspa, and build your portfolio based on the imminent catalyst coming for crypto and also for Kaspa, and also based on the information from Kaspa's chart. We have the fib retracement telling me and telling you the likely support levels for Kaspa right now, to which we can see where they have rebounded off. We also have the low R side down here, the relative strength index, which tells me the sell pressure right now is a little bit high, and therefore Kaspa's closing in on the oversold region, which means that we will likely see a turnaround very soon. Even this ascending wedge, this ascending channel that I've drawn out, pair just these three patterns together, and it solidifies my belief that the bottom level of support is here at 11.3. So for some analogy, it's like this level of support right here. It's like the Great Wall of China. It will be very hard for Kaspa to correct below this level. And in the near future, potentially in 2 days, potentially in the Bitcoin halving, which is roughly 2 weeks away from now, we will very likely see an explosive Kaspa breakout. So again, in my opinion, if you're looking for the bottom for me personally is at 11.3 cents. But again, none of this is financial advice, so please do your own research. And again, remember, don't be emotional, be logical. Kaspa is going to soar in value.